Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show what does FT mean in text slang. So, let's get started. FT stands for FaceTime. It's often used in text messages and online chats to request or schedule a video call. For example, friend, I'm bored. FT, you, sure, I'm free now. FT can also be used more broadly to refer to any situation where two or more people are interacting or communicating in real time, whether through video, audio, or in person. In addition to FaceTime, FT can also stand for a few other things, depending on the context in which it's used. For example, feat, followed by feature, free throw. However, in most cases, FT is used to mean FaceTime. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.